Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. As most long-time members will know, every year we have a detailed video that covers the latest updates on the new version of iOS. However, over the course of the year, there are a number of what we call dot releases that have some nice features added that may go under the radar. Now in video 1202, we covered the new iCloud shared photo library, and today I'd like to show you a new health widget that I found super useful, an update to the Home app, as well as the podcast application as well. Okay, let's start with the Health app, and this update came in version 16.2. Now, tracking your medication is now very easy to do, and I'm going to set it up from scratch here. I'm in the Health app now, and I'm going to tap on Browse first of all. Then Medications is just here, so I'll tap. And we can see here that we can now track all of our medications in one place, as well as set a schedule and get reminders. Now, any of you who, like me, do rely on medication of various forms know how easy it is to miss a dose because of life getting in the way. Well, not anymore. Now, I'm going to tap Add a Medication, and I need to give it a name. So this one's going to be for my back pain. I shattered a disc several years ago and also had another disc removed. So sadly, I do have to take this medication daily to be somewhat normal. And I need to define what form this medication takes. Now, there are some common forms listed at the top, as well as some more below, but it's a capsule that I'll take. So I'll tap next. And what strength is it? Well, I'm actually not too sure. This isn't my live phone. So the units are below. I know it's definitely in milligrams. So let's just put a 5 in there. I know that there's a 5 in the number somewhere. Then I'll tap next. And now, very important, how often should it be taken? Well, it's definitely every day, so I'm going to leave that as is, but now I can put in some times. Now, its default is to the actual current time that I'm recording this, 9:40, so I'll tap and change this to 9 a.m. Then I'll tap Add a Time below that, and I'm going to change that to 3 p.m. Then finally, we have one more, which is in the evening, and this one's going to be at 7 p.m. there. Now, it's set as one capsule for each of these occurrences, but actually I need to take 2. So I'm just going to go into each of these and change them to 2. There. Now I'll tap next. And this section here, I think personally is genius. Now, I know which tablets I'm going to take. However, if I was setting this up perhaps for an elderly relative who takes a number of different medications, we can actually show them which tablets they need to be taking. So this is the shape of my back pills. And if I tap next, I can specify what color they are. So the left-hand side of the pills I take is this light blue color, and the right hand is white still. So I don't need to make any changes there. Although if you wish, you can change the background color to something that you like if you wish. Okay, now I'll tap done, and our medication tracking is set up.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.